Coach Devin here. You're hungry, you're driving in your car, and you stop and you think, I gotta get something at the gas station when you're getting gas, so you get Lay's potato chips. There were ads for Lay's potato chips back when I was a kid that went, Lay's potato chips, bet you can't eat just one. I think it was an Edmonton Oiler, was it? I think Mark Messier. Mark Messier was the guy, and he'd say, bet you can't eat just one Lay's potato chip. So yeah, I understand Lay's potato chips. Hard to eat just one because they're salty and tasty and all that other fun stuff. Question is, how many calories are in this? Well, actually, it is 370 calories in this bag of potato chips. And if you can see inside that, it's not really a lot of potato chips. And in reality, you're probably going to eat the whole bag. So that's 370 calories. How hard will it be to burn that off? We're about to find out. So last week, I decided to burn off that Boston cream donut, which, by the way, was delicious. And I did eat all of it, for those of you who are wondering if I did. Yes, I definitely did. I'm not always perfect on my food, guys. That's not normal, nor is it reasonable for anybody to do it. So I used burpees last week to burn off that Boston cream donut. I thought that would be really the worst way I could think of to burn off a Boston cream donut. So that's what I did. Today, I've decided to go a little bit more classic with it. I'm going to use this exercise bike right here. And I'm just going to get on and ride as hard as I can. Well, in a consistent manner. I'm just going to consistently do cardio at a brisk pace and see how fast I can burn off those potato chips. 370 calories. I'm thinking hopefully I can do this in about half an hour, a little bit under, but it's going to mean busting my butt. Minutes and 11 seconds. So it took me 33 minutes and 11 seconds on the exercise bike to burn off those potato chips from yesterday. That's a lot. It's a lot of work for a bag of potato chips. I mean, they were good, and I didn't just eat one like the old school ad, but it takes some time to burn those things off. So what are some good alternatives if you don't want to end up having to do this amount of work to stay even Steven? That's the million-dollar question. Well, there's a lot of different options out there, and if you look online, you'll see things from, people making chips at home. One thing that I have found is super helpful when you have it's beeping at me asking if I'm still here. If you're looking for that crunch, which is what most people are looking for, you're looking for the crunch sensation, and you want it, to be salty or whatever. A good one is popcorn. Air pop popcorn, a lot fewer calories, provided you don't load it up with butter. You can put salt, there's all kinds of different spices you can put on it nowadays. My personal favorite, I like brewer's yeast. It's super tasty, you can get it at the health food store. My kids like it a lot. It's very good, definitely worth trying. So try popcorn, air pop popcorn with brewer's yeast next time instead of going after chips, and try to eat less than the entire bag like I did. All right, I'm out. I'm gonna go finish my workout because all I did was get myself to even yesterday after eating those chips. So the real work starts now. Have yourself an amazing day. Don't fight the awesome.